Hello friends, good day. I hope you're all full of energy. Well, as you can see, we have 4 of those 3 young Tyler here on the 5-minute time frame. As you can see, we had a very bullish structure. Today, the trend direction is very bullish. And then we pay attention here. We have a pause here, we have a static breakout, another POS here, and what do? Should we mark a zone here? Where was our zone? Our zone would be after this breakout. Down here we have the lowest zone with a single candlestick zone. For ourselves, we also had another zone here, as you can see. So what happens here? This zone didn't work and a breakout, a gap occurred. As you can see, a gap occurred. The important point about this structure is that this gap was a fake gap. It was a fake breakout. Of course, it's not that easy to identify, so no one can say, I identified it, or I could say, I identified it. I definitely identified it correctly. No, it's not that easy to identify because sometimes things look right and the trend reverses. It reversed, and here a sell position was taken and it dropped completely. But considering that our trend was bullish, it was a bullish trend, we see this as a breakout, this one. We considered it as a pullback gathering point, which was actually a proper formation, but as you explained, since the trend was bullish, we took a risk here, and based on the reaction we saw here with this candle, we entered a buy position. Here we set a buy position with this stop and this target, which gave us a risk-reward ratio of about 2.19. So friends, there are a few points here. First, there was a gap here, but it was a fake gap. Why did we take a risk here? We took a risk here because the trend was bullish, Here, we considered the liquidity collection that happened with this breakout, and we entered in this area. Based on the candle, we saw the reaction we observed with this shadow, and with this body, we entered here and waited. Let's look at the outcome of this position to see what the result was. The analysis was correct, and it was a proper, logical response and a reasonable position here. The target was hit and this position came to an end. Friends, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.